Today topic is who can be a good CNC programmer. Okay, now who can be a good CNC programmer? Okay, this is our topic. Who can be a good CNC programmer? Now, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, what are the levels we need? Any idea about that? Udaya Kumar?
Sir.
Yes. Now, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, what are the levels we need? That is, now, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, first we need a knowledge in drawing. Okay, if you want to be a good CNC programmer now, first level we should know about the engineering drawing. What is the meaning of drawing? Any idea about what is the meaning of drawing?
Drawings tools in the ചിത്രീകരണം.
Okay, I will explain now. Drawing means is nothing but a language of technical. Okay, drawing means it's nothing but a language. That is a language of technical. Now, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, now, first level we should have a knowledge in drawing. Okay, without knowledge in drawing, we can't do anything. Okay, compulsory. If you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have a knowledge in drawing. Drawing means is nothing but a language of technical. That is nothing but a communication or communication between human being and the machineries. If you want to communicate with the machineries, okay, if you want to communicate with the machinery, if you want to do the programming, how you can do the programming? Yes, if you want to do a programming, okay, or a program CNC machine, if you want to do the programming now, okay, how we can do the program? With the help of drawing down. Okay, ஒரு drawingல based on the drawingல அது front view side view, that is first angle projection, third angle projection, everything we should see. What is the top view, front view, side view, like this. Suppose example, okay, just one diagram. This is if engineering drawing la normally two types of drawing: orthographic drawing, isometric drawing, we will say. Okay, what is the meaning of orthographic drawing and then isometric drawing? Any idea about this two, orthographic drawing and isometric drawing? Okay, now if you see the three directions in three positions, that is in three views, if you see, that is front view, side view, top view, three views are visible now, that is known as isometric drawing. Suppose orthographic now, that is nothing but a 2D diagram, 3D diagram. Okay, 2D means orthographic, 3D means isometric. So that first, okay, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have a knowledge in drawing. Drawing la we should know how to see the drawing views. Okay, first level you can see A on the views, that is top view or front view or side view, want we should see that is known as geometry. We will say GD and T. GD and T means geometrical dimension and tolerance. Okay, that is first we should know the what is the meaning of GD and T. And T. Geometrical dimension and tolerance. Okay, this views, dimensions. B, we should know about the dimension. C, tolerance. That is GD&T, geometry, dimension and tolerance. We should know what is the meaning of G, what is the meaning of D and then T. The next class I will explain about that. Okay, yes, Uday Kumar?
Okay.
Yes, tomorrow class I will explain about this GD and T. Okay. And then, what will be the second level? What will be the second level? First level, drawing. If you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have knowledge in drawing. How to study the drawing? Drawing, what are the what is the meaning of isometric view, orthographic view, what is the dimension, what is the known as tolerance, tolerance symbols, what is the meaning of the tolerance symbols? Suppose example, perpendicular, parallelism, concentric, like this, different types of symbols are there. We should know what is the meaning of tolerance symbols. Okay, that is known as drawing. First we should see the views, dimension and tolerance. That is, this is known as views, means that is a geometry, side shapes like this. Okay, dimension and tolerance. Okay, this is the first level. If you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have a knowledge in drawing. And then what will be the second level? Any idea about second level? Yes, second level will be raw material selection. Second level is raw material selection. We should have the knowledge in materials. What kind of material we are using? This, if you take industries, manufacturing industries, different types of raw materials are there. MS, SS, and then EN material, copper, bronze, tin coated, alloy coated, casting materials, what you say, like this, different types of material will be using. First, we should have the knowledge about the raw material selection. What is the meaning of raw material selection? For a component, okay, if you want to do a operations, for that operation, which component will be suitable? Properties. What is the property of this raw material? We should have a knowledge. This is the second level. First level, drawing. Second level, raw material selection. This is very, very important. We should have a knowledge about the raw material. We will see the hardness of the material. Okay. And then third level. What will be the third level? Any idea about third level? If you want to be a good CNC programmer, first level drawing, second level raw material selection. What will be the third level? Third level will be tool selection. Okay. Third level is tool selection. We should have a knowledge about the tools. If suppose we are saying end mill cutter, a drill bit, boring bar, like this, different types of tools are there. Okay, different types of different tools are there. We should have a knowledge about the tool selection. What is the purpose of end mill? What is the purpose of drill bit? And then what is the purpose of boring bar? And then what is the meaning of insert? Insert, like different types of insert we will be using. CNMG, TNMG, VNMG, like this, different types of grade. Okay, carbide insert will be there, and then suppose in some places they will be using HSS drill bit. Okay, ceramic toolings, like this will be a different category toolings will be there. So that we should have a knowledge about tool selection. This is very, very important. Third level is very, very important. First level drawing, second level raw material selection, and then third level tool selections. Okay, this is the level by level. If you want to be a good CNC programmer, 7 levels are there. In 7 levels, if you are confident with these 7 levels, you can be a good CNC programmer in this first level drawing, second level raw material selection, third level tool selections. Okay, you copy it. Next, fourth level. What will be the fourth level? Sorry, fourth level. Any idea about fourth level?
Programming.
No. Before doing the programming, first we should read the diagram. Okay, drawing. We should read the drawing. Okay, drawing. If you first see the drawing, and then what are the tolerance they are given, what are the dimensions, and then where the tool path we should run, we should select the program. Okay, first we should select these items. Second, as per the diagram in below, okay, if you see the diagram sheet la, in diagram sheet la, in corner of the left side, right side corner la, they will give the tables. In this they will put raw material MS. We should select that raw material MS. MS means mild steel. Okay, so raw material we should know the properties of the MS, mild steel. What is the property? What about the hardness? What about the density? We should have something, just at least 10 or 20% knowledge about the raw material. And then based on the diagram, based on the raw material, we should select the toolings. What kind of operations? It's a drilling operation or a boring operation. You put in mute mode. Okay, based on this drawing, based on this raw material, we should select the operations. What kind of operation? This is an end mill operation or otherwise a drilling operation, it's boring operation or grooving operation or threading operation. We should select the operations, and then based on the operations, third level, we should select the toolings, proper toolings. Okay, so that we should have a knowledge about toolings. Third level toolings. In toolings, it's a carbide tools, this is a grooving tool or end mill, something. In next class I will explain about the toolings. What are the toolings we'll be having? What are the different types of tooling? What is the purpose of the tools? In next class I will explain. Okay. Now just basically we will see about this. Come on, who can be a good CNC programmer? What will be the fourth level? Any idea about fourth level?
No, sir.
No. Okay. The fourth level is spindle speed and feed rate calculation. This is very important. Spindle speed and feed rate calculation to increase the production or decrease the production. This is the very important role. Okay, spindle speed and feed rate plays very important role. Okay, based on this spindle speed and feed rate, we will increase the production, or otherwise some companies it will be decrease the production. Okay, based on this spindle speed and feed rate calculation, so that we should know what calculations about this spindle speed and feed rate. For this spindle speed, okay, there will be a formula. Vc equal to pi d n by 1000. This is a formula to find out spindle speed. Later or tomorrow class I will explain about this formula. Okay, ma? And then for this feed rate also there is a calculations. Feed rate equal to number of cutting edge into feet per tooth into spindle speed. Okay, like this formula is there. For spindle speed Vc equal to pi d n by 1000. Vc means cutting speed, pi value 3.14, D means diameter of the tool. Okay, N indicates spindle speed. Later I will explain about this formula. For this feed also number of cutting edges into feed for tooth into spindle speed. Okay. Okay, this is the very important level. Fourth level is very important. Spindle speed and feed rate calculations. Okay. Next, fifth level. This is also important level. Fifth level is on a setting. Okay, setting. That is holding the component, and then we should take work offset, height offset and radius offset. In settings there is a difference level setting. That is first how to hold the component. Okay, first level settings we'll say how to hold the component. This is very important. Okay, how to hold the component. If you are having a component and the component, how to hold the component, this is important. Second level, that is we can say how to hold the component. It's known as nothing but a clamping. We can say this is clamping. Clamping the different types of clamping are there. That is through vice we can clamp the component, or otherwise we can have a slips, or otherwise nothing but a chuck. Through chuck we can hold the component. Like this, different types of clamping. We can say fixtures. We will be saying fixtures. Fixtures mean nothing but a work holding device. Okay, first how to hold the component through with the help of fixtures, vice, or otherwise through chuck, like this. This is known as setting first level. And then second level is work offset. We will say work offset, or otherwise we can say geometrical offset. Geometrical offset. Okay, this is important. Settings component, taking work offset or geometrical offset. This is the fifth level. Okay, this is the level by level. Everything will be interlinked. Interlinked based on the drawing, raw material selection, tool selection, spindle speed and feed rate calculations, and then setting. Okay, and then sixth level. What will be the sixth level? Idea about sixth level?
Sir, settings settings.
Yes, after completion of settings, sixth level will be programming. Now we'll do the programming. Either level by level. Programming means nothing but if you know G code, M codes, and then axis movement, X axis and Z axis. Yesterday we have seen axis movement, X axis, Y axis, Z axis movement. That is nothing but a programming. But programming is not important. Before programming, that 5 levels is important. Drawing, raw material selection, tool selection, spindle speed and feed rate calculation, setting. After the 5 operation completed, 5 levels completed, next then only we will go for a programming. Programming is nothing but a G code. If you know G code, M code, we can write a programming. That's all. But it's not important. Before writing a program, we should see these 5 levels. Nothing but just like a cooking now. For cooking, if you want to do the cooking, what you will do? First, you will choose the operation. That is which type of cooking we can do today. Idli, dosa, chapati. First, you will decide. Next, based on that decision, we will prepare the raw materials. Okay, and then we will stove on the gas stove. We will on the gas stove. Next, we will go for a preparing. Like this now. Like this now. If you want to be a good CNC programmer, it's a level by level. First, drawing. If you want to read the drawing. Next, raw material selection, tool selection, spindle speed and feed rate calculation, setting. This is a routine life. In CNC programmer, this is a routine. In the videos also, in this class also I attend more than 10 times, but this is the routine. This 5 levels and 6 levels will be routine, continuous for each and every time. The procedure for each and every, if you want to do a new, next if you want to do new programming, the same 6 levels from the first to 6th level. And then after completion of programming, okay, now programming completed, we have taken the workpiece. What will be the next level? What will be any idea about 7th level?
Sir,
Any idea about 7th level?
what piece is serial?
Yes, that is nothing but a 7th level will be inspection. Okay, 7th level will be inspection. Okay, this is very important. How to handle the measuring instrument. Okay, if you want to be a good CNC programmer na, the 7th level is more important than the 6 levels. Okay, why? Because na, without quality, okay, all work, you will do all the work, but quality is not there, what you will do? The job is okay wa? If the job oversized or undersized na, we can send the job to marketer. Not, it's not a possible. Okay va? Quality is very important. For this quality ke, basically we'll be using the 2 instrument. If you want to check the engineering component na, 2 instrument we'll be using basically. That is vernier caliper and micrometer. So that we should have a knowledge about the vernier caliper, how to handle the vernier caliper, how to handle the micrometer. Okay, that is important. And then apart from this vernier and caliper, vernier and micrometer, it's a Korean instrument. We will be having more instrument, that is plug gauge, snap gauge, drill gauge, like this, bore gauge, like this Korean instrument. But basically we should have knowledge about the vernier caliper and then micrometer. How to handle the vernier caliper, how to hold the vernier caliper, how to hold the micrometer, we should have a knowledge. Okay, this is the 7 important levels to be a good CNC programmer. Without these 7 levels, we can't able to be a good CNC programmer. Okay, so that before doing the program, first if you thorough in these 5 levels, okay, then you can go for a programming. Okay, this is the basic classes. Okay, from next day, from tomorrow onwards, we will go for a next level. Okay.